Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about the universal diet tips which are applicable on almost all chronic diseases. Diet tips that I am going to share with you today, these tips are beneficial in hypertension, these tips are beneficial in cardiac ailments, these tips are beneficial in diabetes, these tips are beneficial in some kidney disease. That's why these tips are known as universal diet tips which you can apply on any chronic ailment. It will yield benefits even to some cancer patients also. Regarding chronic ailments, we all know all the chronic ailments are lifestyle diseases, and in lifestyle that means you are doing yoga, pranayam, walking, exercise, everything you are doing, and diet also you are taking with according to certain diseases, but there are certain tips and these tips will help you to recover from those diseases very efficiently. So let's see what are these tips and what Ayurveda has to say about it. So the first and very important tip regarding any chronic ailment which you want to reverse, so this tip is avoid use of artificial sugar. Artificial sugar, when I am saying, that means the sugar that is present in cakes, pastries, confectionaries, toffees, chocolates. If you go with the Indian background, then all the murabbas, all the sweets that are available in market, candies, hot chocolates, coffees. So this is all artificial sugar. That means this sugar, when we take inside our body, it enhances our pH. As you know, there is a pH balance in our body, that is acidic and alkaline balance, and it should be little more towards the alkaline side if you want to heal your body faster. Not more than 8, but near about 7.2, 7.3, just little bit more than 7. 7 is like baseline. pH value below 7 is acidic, after 7 it is alkaline. So it is always better, like if our diet and our lifestyle is little bit towards like higher side of alkaline, but not more than 8. Too much alkaline is also not good, too much acidic is also not good. But if we want like our body should heal and recover quickly, then we need to make it a balance of like 7 to 7.3, 7.4, just like this. This helps our body to heal fast, and when we take this artificial sugar, it pushes our body towards low pH, that is less than 7, makes our body more acidic. And as you know, especially if you are taking cancer treatment, or if you have cancer, then this pH is not good for body. At the same time, this pH is acidic pH is also not so good for all the chronic ailments. So this is the first thing. Till we don't recover totally from our chronic ailment which we want to reverse, we should avoid all the artificial sweeteners. This is first thing. We will not use sugar, but if you want to eat sugar, if we have craving for sugar, then what we can use? You can use honey, not for diabetic patients, but for other diseases. You can use honey, you can use jaggery, you can use palm sugar, and to some extent if you really want to taste sugar, you can use mishri also. Kuja mishri it is called, and it is not very refined form of sugar. So this kind of sugar you can use. That also that is not as good as jaggery or palm sugar, but still it is better than the sugar, that refined sugar that is present in the market. In addition to that, you can also use all the fruits. Fruits also have all natural sugar, so you can make use of fruits also. Next thing that you need to avoid if you have any kind of chronic disease, that is salt. Better to avoid sea salt. Instead of sea salt, you can use Himalayan salt or rock salt. Regarding that, I already have created video also on my channel. You please go through the videos of my channel and search for this rock salt or Himalayan salt video. This salt is more beneficial for health. In addition to that, when I am saying sea salt, then for many people only sea salt is available. But in addition to that, you are also using the salt that is present in chips, in fried things that we buy from the market in form of pickles. Pickles have a lot of salt, a lot of potato, French fries and these kind of things. and a lot of while watching moving, a lot of chips we keep eating, that chips also contains a lot of sea salt. It is excess salt that is not needed for our body. If you are healthy, still you can take sometimes, but if you want to reverse your disease, then you need to avoid use of all these things. These things are not helpful in reversing your disease. So here I am talking about reversing your disease. So it's very important you use rock salt or Himalayan salt, not this kind of artificial salts. In addition to that, the third very important point is, like these days we all have refrigerators in our homes, and more advanced technologies of refrigerator are like, which advertise like it can keep your food fresh for 1 week or 1 month, like this. So this kind of food which you have stored in refrigerator, this kind of food is also not good for reversing your disease. If you want to reverse your disease, make sure you always cook fresh and try to consume it within 1 hour of cooking. And don't do this also, like you're cutting and chopping vegetables and putting in refrigerator, and after 4-5 hours you are taking out those vegetables from refrigerator. Especially ladies do, they chop and cut vegetables at night, and in the morning they take out from refrigerator, hoping like it will save time, but it will take away all the nutrition that is present in vegetables. So always cut vegetables fresh, take help of people, family people, so that they can help you, because everybody wants nutrition. So definitely they will help you in kitchen, and you just cut just in 15 minutes before cooking, and then immediately you cook it, so that all the nutrition value that is present in the vegetable, that should remain intact, and it will provide more health for you, and it will also help in rejuvenation. In addition to that, try to avoid all the canned, packed, tinned food. Always try to cook fresh every time, every meal, whatever you are taking, that is healthy meal, that is regular meal, that should be fresh, and that should be freshly cooked. Prefer organic food, and don't store it for long, just consume it as quickly as possible. In addition to that, try to avoid the use of garlic and onion if you want to reverse some disease, because garlic and onion, if you cook with these two things, they especially in hot weather, they are not very positive pranic, and in reversing any chronic ailment we need more of positive pranic food. So avoid the use of garlic and onion till your disease not get reversed totally. Except for cardiac ailments, in some places we recommend the use of garlic, but not in vegetable, but just garlic capsules or garlic raw garlic. That is another way of consuming it, that is a whole procedure in itself, but usually you should avoid the use of garlic or onion if you want to reverse your chronic ailments. In addition to that, try to also avoid all the cooking oils which are made of hydrogenated fat. Regarding that, I already have created one video, like which is good fat, bad fat, trans fat, and which cooking oils are more beneficial. So you also again go through my channel and watch these videos, like which oil is the best for cooking. Like it should not be trans fat, because trans fat is not doesn't help in healing, it aggravates the disease. Try to use less and less oil. If needed, you can use homemade cow ghee, that is beneficial. If it is not possible, then you can use mustard oil, coconut oil, sesame oil for Indian kind of cooking. And if you want to sprinkle it on some salad or these kind of things, some raw food, you can use olive oil. This is also good, but don't use olive oil in the same quantities as we are using in cooking these Indian oils, like coconut oil, mustard oil in Indian cooking, not like this. Just sprinkling you can use olive oil. Make sure like you will never use hydrogenated oil or hydrogenated fat, because this is not actual oil that is healthy for the body. It is just for commercial purposes, which is serving no purpose. In addition to that, try to avoid the use of soya oil, also soybean oil, and because it is little bit on the heavier side to digest. It is not bad, but it is little bit heavier to digest. So this kind of oil also try to avoid, just use natural oils. Natural oils are more beneficial for your health and to reverse any of the chronic ailment. In addition to that, do exercise, do yoga, do pranayam, keep yourself positive, and these you will observe, like if you just follow these 3-4 tips which I have given you. These tips actually I provide in all my consultations almost to everyone. So I thought I should create a video regarding it so that these tips will reach to everyone, and if they want to reverse their disease, it will provide some help. You just try it for 2 months and you will see miraculous difference in your diet and in your test results, and then let me know, and you will see how happy you will feel after this and how confident. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down your questions in the comment section and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.